everybody! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Filipino Cassava Cake. All you will need is 1 bag of grated cassava, 1/2 a jar of coconut strings, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 4 eggs. A quarter of a can of coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and we're saving that for the topping. Let's do it. Add the cassava into your bowl. Then we add the 1/2 a jar of coconut strings. Next, add the coconut milk. Then we add the evaporated milk. And finally, we add the condensed milk. Mix and fold into eggs. Looking good. Okay, now it's ready to be put in our pan, but don't forget to grease your pan. So as you can see, our cassava cake is in the pan already. And if you can remember, we saved a quarter of the milks. So now we're just gonna mix it all up. So we're gonna bake the cassava cake first, and for a while, and after a little bit, we're going to put our topping on the cake. So it's already in the oven. We're going to cook it for 15 minutes at 350. So it's not totally done, but before totally done, we're going to put our topping on it. So now we're going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes more. So our cassava is done. Now we're going to fry it.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.